In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up and customize your workspace using Google on Notion, a versatile and powerful tool for organizing your digital life. Let's dive right in and make those ideas and projects neatly organized in a visually appealing manner. First, you'll want to navigate to the Notion website and locate the Login button. It's typically located at the top right corner of the homepage. Click on it to proceed. Once you've clicked on Login, you'll see an option that says Continue with Google. Notion makes the login process straightforward and convenient by allowing us to use our Google accounts for access. Click that option to proceed further and choose the Google account you'd like to associate with your Notion workspace. Now you're in your Notion workspace, a digital canvas waiting to be filled with your ideas and projects. Notice a plus icon often located on the sidebar of your workspace. This icon is crucial as it allows you to add new pages to your workspace, providing the ability to organize content cleanly and efficiently. Click on that plus icon to start creating something new. Once you click on it, a menu will appear, giving you various options to choose from for your new page. For today, let's focus on starting with a clean slate. Select Empty Page from the menu, allowing you to tailor a page precisely to your liking without any pre-existing elements. With your empty page ready, it's time to give it a name. Naming your page is essential because it helps you immediately identify and organize your ideas within your workspace. Click inside the page title area and type in the desired name for your page. Choose something that reflects the content or project you'll be working on so it's instantly recognizable later. Once your page is named, let's make it both functional and visually appealing by adding a color divider. Notion's flexibility allows us to create and customize elements extensively. To set up a colored divider, begin typing /inline equation directly into the page. This command allows us to insert custom code into our page, opening up a plethora of formatting options. Select the inline equation option from the drop-down menu that appears. You'll then see a placeholder where you can input custom code. Insert the code specific to creating the divider you want. After entering the code, don't forget to click Done to finalize this step. One of the great aspects of Notion is its adaptability. You can further personalize your divider by editing the code you just inputted. Experiment with changing the color and size of your divider to better match the aesthetic or organizational needs of your workspace. You can go back into the equation by clicking on it again and tweaking the parameters to see what works best for you. And there you have it. Your color divider is now an integral part of your page, adding both visual interest and functional separation to your content. This simple yet powerful tool can help make your projects more engaging and organized. Thank you for watching and happy organizing.